How to remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove a person who is listed as a best friend on Snapchat. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm gonna actually get to my profile right here, and you can see this is my profile. So what we can do is we can actually do some of these settings for the emojis that we have for the best friends and other options. So we're gonna go to these settings. In settings, we're gonna scroll down to our additional services. In additional services, we have friend emojis. So here you will actually get an idea that the emojis that you're seeing with a person's profile, it says something about them. For instance, if you see these hearts, that means they're like super BFF. Then we have BFF, we have besties, and then we have BFs, mutual besties, mutual BFs, snap streak, and others. So these are some of the things that you will get. Let's say we have besties, right? So in besties, you can first of all change the emoji for that. And for instance, I go with this one, and then I will see this with some of my friends. And how we can actually remove this emoji now, how we can remove them as our best friend. The reason why we see them here is because we chat with them more than other people, and because we're chatting with them, maybe we're streaking with them. So in order to remove it, you will actually have to maybe stop chatting with that person for a day or 2 days. So once you do that, they will automatically be removed from your best friend list. So that's actually very easy to do. Other than that, we can just go to their profile and we can remove them as a friend, but we cannot do that if you don't want that. So then you can just like maybe not text them, and you will be able to remove them from your best friend list. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.